First of all, Merry Christmas to all my viewers. Wish you a happy, healthy, and prosperous upcoming new year and keep rocking. And be thankful for all the sweet memories this year has offered you so far. And I'm very grateful for all your love and support. Keep supporting, keep learning, and keep exploring. Let's play with the Google stuff which updated today as the our Google CEO tweeted yesterday about that. So just type in Google Christmas and hit enter. See the magic. See, once you will search, you will get a gift pop up over here. Tap it so it will take you on the center tracker site. So here you can play with the beautiful, you can off the sound and play with the beautiful interface. You can type the play and track. So also the Omicron is increasing day by day, so just be happy, healthy, and safe. Wear a mask and follow all the guidelines according to the government. Yeah, this is all about this video. I hope the children and people will like this interface. So I just shared to do the stuff. You can like use all the features available over here.